Hi.
Hannah was just going over, we came out here to go see a waterfall. We're in Eureka, Kansas. And we kind of thought about doing a photo shoot, and Hannah's the only one that took it actually serious, which I'm excited, because I'm excited to get some good photos for you. But I'm excited. We're gonna go over here and look at this pretty waterfall, and I was like, let's just vlog. So we found this really cool, I don't know if you guys can see it quite as well, but this black, like, it reminds me of like volcanic rock. So that was really fucking cool. And then there's also like porta potties out there. I'll show you guys later. And then I want her to pose like in the middle of all of these rocks. Like right over here. Yes, let's fucking get this bread. Hannah is getting to the middle of the rocks. Anywhere from where you're standing to like the middle of this, like this area right in front of me would be good. Oh, ooh, see that big rock right there, right to your left? Yeah, if you can get on that and just sit there, that'd be good. Just get comfortable, pretend you're a nature goddess and you're just in your natural habitat. Now I'm gonna have her work this area for a little bit, but I'm a dumbass and I never bring my actual vlogging camera, so that's all for this location.
It's raining.
Oh my god! I'm gonna do a handstand.
Oh no, it is.
Okay, I'm gonna do a handstand. Hannah, I want you to just do your thing, whatever the heck you want.
What if I want to try one too?
I don't want to.
Oh, I pulled him out! I forgot I didn't have a bra on! Oh!
You have to use that and just like
Okay. I just like this wall. What up, ho?
so funny. There's people coming.
I don't care.
That was hilarious.
Well, sit.
Oh no.
No, it's starting to rain.
Oh.
You sit on our laps. Yes. Family time. Family photos.
Wow, it looks so much bigger from up here.
Okay.
Oh, I step on the unstable rock. I think that's why they're stacked like this.
Yeah! Oh my god. Okay. Okay.
Keep going down.
Taylor, what the fuck? How'd you do that? I'm gonna roll my ankle.
Put a hand up here and down here, lower there.
Yeah!
It just looks scarier up there.
I really do think it's like volcanic spring.
Yeah, that's what it reminds me of.
I really do feel like we could actually use it for ceramics.
Up.
Then you're gonna have to put your wet feet back into your shoes.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Oh.
Like standing on the very edge. I want to show. Hang on. Imagine pooping over that cliff.